which I was supposed to lose about 10 pounds. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're seeing this face for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And by the title you might have already guessed what this video is gonna be about. So without wasting any more time, let's just get right away into the video. So last month in the month of April I had taken this Roberta Gym, a YouTube channel है, उसका मैंने 7 day का challenge लिया था, in which I was supposed to lose about 10 pounds, which is approximately 4.5 kgs. So I took that challenge and I did exactly as they showed on the channel, like all the workout. I just followed them and did it exactly like that. And on the first day my weight was 55 kgs, and even after doing it as they showed and doing exactly like what they, even in the description box down below, they said to cut down all the sugar intake, so do not not eat junk food at all. So I followed that as well. But on day 7, on day 8, I again checked my weight, and my weight was still the same. It was only it was 55 kg. I didn't lose any weight. Obviously I didn't gain any weight, and I did follow all the rules that were supposed to be followed. So I don't recommend you guys trying out the Roberta Gyms lose your weight, lose 10 pounds in a week challenge, because it doesn't work. It really doesn't work. And I worked out, it's a 22 minutes workout, and I worked it every day 22 minutes. I worked my ass out and still I didn't see any result. So I don't recommend you guys trying out the exercises on their channel. At least that's what I think. But even if you want to go and check it out, then you guys can definitely check it out. It's easy actually. Workout, I don't think you lose weight, but it's good for just for keeping yourself active, and all the workout is very easy. Your moms, your grandmoms, anybody can do it. It's pretty easy. So you might want to check that out if you just want to exercise, not for losing weight but just exercise. So for that, in that case, this channel is really very helpful. I recommend you guys checking out that channel. But to lose weight, I don't think it's worth it, because for a whole month I did other different exercises from that channel, but still I didn't lose any weight. Okay, and it's not like I was eating too much or what, nothing like that. I ate normal, and I didn't even consume any sugar. I've already cut down my sugar intake since a very long time. So it wasn't a big deal for me cutting down sugar, because I have already cut down it. So but I didn't lose any weight, so I was quite disappointed. At least, if not 4.5 kgs, at least 1 or 2 kgs, so I should have lost, right? But I didn't lose it. So, and apart from this challenge also, I have been exercising, tried other exercises also, 1 hour and all, but still I didn't lose any weight. So I'm quite disappointed. But you can check it out only if you want to exercise, to keep yourself fit and not to lose weight. Then this channel has good exercise. I give it a thumbs up. You should check it out for that purpose if you want to. And if you guys really want to lose weight, then I recommend you guys to completely cut off your sugar intake, no sugar intake at all. I swear by this. If you cut down your sugar intake, and also if you start eating healthy and don't eat junk at all, I'm sure everybody might have you might have heard this by so many people, but I have done it. I have lost my weight. I was 63 kgs a couple of months back, and after following all of this, I lost and I came to 55 kgs. So I followed all of this, so that's why I swear by it. You should definitely cut down your sugar intake, as well as should only eat healthy. Or मैदे की कोई भी चीज़ don't eat it. Don't eat it at all. It won't help to lose weight. So that's what I recommend you guys. And it's a slow process. It will take a month or 2 to lose weight, but you will definitely lose weight if you follow this strictly. No sugar intake, no eating all-purpose flour products, and yeah, that's it. Because the diet, 70% of the diet plays a major role in losing your weight, and 30% only plays, the exercising part plays a role in losing your weight. So I recommend you guys to definitely try these 2 things out that I'm recommending you guys in case you want to lose your weight. See guys, I am not joking. As you can see, every day I have worked out, and I have after working out every single day I have ticked it on that date. So for the 7 whole days I have worked out, and without any cheating, I did it and I didn't see any results. So if you found this video helpful, then you know the drill. Go right now and hit that thumbs up button. Please मेरे वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए, और सब्सक्राइब बटन उसके बाजू में ही है, तो प्लीज़ गो सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल राइट नाउ. अगर आपने अब तक किया नहीं होगा तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लो, and I'll see you next Friday. Until then, bye.